Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing what you need. Confirm you have admin or sudo access, and then create backups of the configuration files and system snapshots. Why? Because you must be able to revert if a change breaks something. Once done, capture the current state, software versions, checksums, running services, and any recent edits so you can compare before and after. Make sure to note timestamps and who made changes. This context will speed diagnosis and prevent wasted edits. You now focus on finding the root cause. Reproduce the problem in a staging environment so you don't risk production. Use log aggregation, structured logs, validators, and linters to highlight malformed entries or deprecated keys. Run config diffs against your backup to see exact changes, and then disable or isolate non-essential components so you can test one variable at a time. This step-by-step isolation shows you which service or setting triggers failure. You execute minimal, reversible fixes and document each edit so you can track cause and effect. After applying a change, run automated tests, health checks, and smoke tests to confirm behavior. Make sure monitoring shows stable metrics before proceeding. If things go wrong, use your rollback plan immediately, restore the backed up config and system snapshot, then collect logs and diffs for escalation. One key troubleshooting tip: if fixes fail repeatedly, revert first, then reproduce the issue on an isolated replica so you can debug without time pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.